Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change hosting IP from Cloudflare. So after you log into your Cloudflare account, what you will have to do is select your domain. Just go ahead and click this. And then what you will do is you will click DNS records and then you will locate your A record, and it is usually labeled as like this. And then what you will have to do is you will click edit, which is right here. And then next, you will just have to update the IPv4 address to your new hosting IP. And then after that, you will just have to click save, and then you will just have to verify the changes by running a DNS lookup or refreshing your website after propagation. And it would usually take about a few minutes or 24 hours. So yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.